In this video, I'm going to show you why Power BI is worth learning and how to get started. So I'm first going to go to a sample set of data, that report that I've downloaded from the Microsoft website. And you can see from the sample file created by Microsoft that the kind of report that you can create. So it's very similar to what you can do in Excel. There's just a slightly different feel to the visualizations in there. So there's different reports on it that you can click on at the bottom that will load. And if I click on one part of a visualization, it actually automatically filters all of the other. So there's this really strong interactive feel to it. Now you also have huge amounts of control on how you can work with data sets behind the scenes. So if we go down over here to the model, you can see the different data sets that are making up what is going on with this data and all the relationships that are being managed. So if you haven't used something like SQL before to join data together, this is such a great visual way into it. You can also edit the queries, and this gives you some functionality like you would get in Power Query in Excel. So you can look at transforming the data in different ways if it's not quite looking how you want it to. So again, this is very powerful because this is then essentially noted in the script, and all these steps are added as you transform the data. So you don't then have to do that again yourself. And then finally, this report section that we've been looking at, and again, this interactive feel. So when you're within a business environment, you'd also have the ability to publish the report, which is up here. And what that essentially does is it publishes this report that you're designing in Power BI Desktop, and it saves it up in the cloud, so into powerbi.com on the web. So that means that you can share reports really easily with colleagues and people outside your business potentially. Now to get started, you need to go to this link here, which is powerbi.microsoft.com, and it's the link for the desktop. And you can download your free version of Power BI Desktop to start interacting with it and building reports yourself. So you simply just click on the download free button, and it will give you a series of system requirements that you have to have. So you have to be on these operating systems, you need to be on Internet Explorer 10 or greater, and it's available for 32-bit or 64-bit platforms. So if you're on one of them, you can download it for free. So you simply click on download and it will run an executable file for you, and you will have your version of Power BI Desktop to start using. So I'm going to be doing some more tutorials, some more mini tutorials on Power BI and what is possible in them. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and let me know what kind of content you want to see for Power BI.